Passage number 7, official paragraphs. Ready. The government or where the provisions of section 4 have been invoked, the armed forces or civil armed forces, as the case may be, subject to the specific or general order of the government in this regard for a period not exceeding 3 months, and after recording reasons thereof, issue order for the preventive detention of any person who has been concerned in any offence under this act relating to the security or defense of Pakistan or any part thereof, or public order relating to target killing, kidnapping for ransom, and extortion, bhata, or the maintenance of supplies or services, or against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received, or a reasonable suspicion exists of his having been so concerned, for purpose of inquiry, provided that the detention of such person, including detention for further period after 3 months, shall be subject to the provisions of Article 10 of the Constitution, The inquiry under subsection 1 may be conducted by a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police, or through a joint interrogation term to the notified by the government, comprising a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police and officers of other investigation agencies, and the powers of the inquiry officer will be vested as per section 5 of the Federal Investigation Agency Act, 1 1974, provided that where the detention order has been issued by the armed forces or civil armed forces under subsection, the inquiry shall be conducted by the joint interrogation team comprising members of armed forces or civil armed forces, as the case may be, intelligence agencies and other law enforcement agencies, including a police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police, the provision of subsection 1 and 2 shall remain in force for such period as may be notified by the government from time to time, provided that such period shall not exceed 2 years from the commencement of the Anti-Terrorism Amendment Act, 2014, new paragraph, the detainee shall be produced in camera before the presiding officer of the court or in his absence before the district and session judge or the magistrate appointed under the Sharia Nizam-e Adl regulation, 2019, within 24 hours of his detention, and before the presiding officer of the court if and when any extension in the period of detention is requested, full stop. During the inquiry, the concerned police officer not below the rank of superintendent of police or equivalent officer of the law enforcement agencies or the members of JIT, full stop.